The International Court of Justice, ICJ, today ruled in favor of India and held Pakistan guilty of violating the Vienna Convention because it denied consular access to Kulbhushan Jadhav, an Indian national in its custody. The ICJ at The Hague delivered its final verdict in the Kulbhushan Jadhav case. The top international court said Pakistan must grant consular access, diplomatic assistance, to Kulbhushan Jadhav and abide by the Vienna Convention. The court said Pakistan should provide a review and reconsideration of the conviction and sentence. Reading out the verdict, President of the ICJ Judge Abdulqawi Ahmed Yusuf ordered an effective review and reconsideration of the conviction and sentence of Mr Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav. What this effectively means is that the death sentence that was awarded to Kulbhushan Jadhav by a military court in Pakistan is put on stay till the time the case and conviction are reviewed. After Kulbhushan Jadhav gets diplomatic assistance. Who is Kulbhushan Jadhav? Kulbhushan Jadhav is a 49-year-old retired officer of the Indian Navy. He was arrested by security forces in Pakistan on March 3, 2016. Pakistan claims Kulbhushan Jadhav was arrested near the Pakistan-Afghanistan border of Chaman in Balochistan over illegal entry into the country. On the other hand, India argues that Pakistan abducted Kulbhushan Jadhav from Iran. India demanded consular access to Kulbhushan Jadhav after he was awarded a death sentence by a military court in Pakistan. India argued that Pakistan violated the Vienna Convention and Kulbhushan Jadhav did not have adequate representation during the trial. India also rejected Pakistan's claim that Kulbhushan Jadhav had confessed to being a spy. India summarily rejected the extracted confession based on which he was sentenced to death. What have India, Pakistan argued at ICJ? India has argued its case on two broad grounds. 1. Pakistan breached the Vienna Convention as it repeatedly denied consular access to Kulbhushan Jadhav. 2. The process of resolution of this case. Harish Salve, who argued for India at the ICJ, questioned the functioning of Pakistan's notorious military courts and urged the top UN court to annul Jadhav's death sentence, which he said was based on an extracted confession. India argued that Pakistan violated international law by not allowing India to give diplomatic assistance to Kulbhushan Jadhav before he was convicted by a military court. It would be in the interest of justice, of making human rights a reality, to direct his, Jadhav's, release, said Harish Salve. Pakistan's counsel Kawar Qureshi meanwhile argued, India's claim for relief must be dismissed or declared inadmissible. Pakistan had rejected India's plea for consular access to Jadhav at the ICJ, claiming that New Delhi wants the access to get the information gathered by its spy. Pakistan has also refuted India's argument that judges in Pakistan's military courts do not have sound legal understanding because they are primarily military officers. It argued that Pakistan's courts are extremely independent. Pakistan also claimed that its military had sufficient evidence to prove that Kulbhushan Jadhav was a spy. Field General Court Martial, the military court that sentenced Kulbhushan Jadhav, consists of Pakistan Army officers. The judges on the FGCM aren't required to possess law degrees. The Don, Pakistan's leading newspaper, in a report said, Attorney General of Pakistan Anwar Mansoor Khan had argued that Jadhav was an Indian spy sent to Balochistan to destabilize the country and therefore not entitled to consular access. According to the paper, Khan had told ICJ that Jadhav ran a network to carry out despicable terrorism and suicide bombing, targeted killing, kidnapping for ransom and targeted operations to create unrest and instability in the country.